next episode of An Architect Cooks. Well, friends, today is a surprise episode. It is a guest starring in today's episode, and that guest is no one else but my videographer and cinematographer for all my episodes behind the scenes, मेरे husband Ravi, जो कि भी एक architect हैं. So आज का ये जो episode है, वो वही host करेंगे, and the name remains the same, An Architect Cooks. So I hand over to Ravi for conducting the rest of the show.
हेलो, वेलकम टू एन आर्किटेक्ट कुक्स। तो अब तक के सब एपिसोड्स विनी होस्ट कर रही थी, बट टुमारो इज हर बर्थडे, सो आई वांटेड टू कुक समथिंग स्पेशल फॉर हर, अ स्मॉल केक, अ कप केक with a tinge of coffee, which is a favorite drink. So let me tell you what the ingredients are. Okay, so these are the ingredients. We have 6 tablespoons of all-purpose flour known as maida. We have 4 tablespoons of milk. We have 3 tablespoons of sugar. We have 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. We have 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. We have 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. We have 2 tablespoons of curd. We have some walnuts. We'll make this into a walnut cake. And we have half a teaspoon of coffee. Coffee is our favorite drink, so we'll flavor this cake with coffee. We also have half a teaspoon of baking powder, and then just a pinch of baking soda and a pinch of salt. And to put this all in, since the name is a cupcake, we have a beautiful cup in which we'll bake the cake. So first of all, what we'll do, we'll mix all the dry ingredients together. So we mix the dry ingredients, in goes the maida. Nicely done. The sugar. Okay. The cocoa powder. And the rest of the ingredients, the dry ingredients, the walnuts, the coffee. So all the dry ingredients are now in. We'll mix them together well, so they are all homogeneous. I think they are mixed properly now. So now we'll put all the wet ingredients in. The milk, the oil, the fresh cream, the curd, and we are done. Now we mix them again. Remember to stir it in one direction only. The consistency looks okay. Let me scrape it from the sides also. We'll just smoothen the top, and I think we are now ready to put it in the microwave. So now we'll put it into the microwave. We do it at full heat for 2 minutes. I think this microwave is about 900 watts. So we put it in for 2 minutes, and then the cake will be ready. Of course, we'll wait for it for about 5 minutes after that before taking it out. So we'll see you again after 7 minutes. You can see that the cake is rising. You see it's almost out of the cup now, which is the sign of a very good cake. So in every episode of hers, Winnie always gives you a tip about architecture or interior design. So now let me give you a tip too. So this is regarding the use of paints in buildings. तो paints की technology आजकल बहुत advanced हो गई है. आपको याद होगा कि पहले एक पेंट हुआ करता था एनामल पेंट, जिसको हम लोग नॉर्मली दरवाजों पे किया करते थे या खिड़कियों पे किया करते थे। उसका मेन पर्पस ये था कि उसको आप अच्छे से वाइट क्लीन कर सकते थे और उस पे दाग जल्दी नहीं लगते थे, लेकिन देखने में बहुत अच्छा नहीं लगता था बिकॉज इट हैड अ ग्लॉसी फिनिश and these are the days of matte finishes. So all the paint companies now, they have developed enamel paints in a matte finish. तो उसकी qualities लगभग वही रह जाती हैं. They have the qualities of a good enamel paint, that they are easy to wipe clean, but they are in a matte finish, so they go well with your decor. So even if you are doing good interiors, but still you want, if you have places where you have to use enamel paint, maybe like a bathroom door or a kitchen door, you can use the matte finish enamel paint. So that's the tip for the day. And now we'll see what the cake looks like. So about 5 minutes have passed. I've taken the cupcake out and you can see the result. When we put it in, it was at this level. It has risen beautifully and it will be a very delicious cake. I hope Winnie likes it tomorrow, and we'll cut it tomorrow. You can see how soft and spongy it is. And the recipe is so simple that even a novice like me can make no mistakes in it. So happy birthday, Winnie. Have a good one tomorrow. And we'll see you again next week, Saturday, 7 p.m. with the original host of the show at An Architect Cooks. Bye for now.